What is going on YouTube? Your boy Zane is back with another video tutorial or free code cap section called React and Redux, and in this one we're going to be learning how to connect Redux to the Messages app that we created earlier on. Right? If you haven't done the previous Messages app challenge, I would highly recommend you go back and have a look at that first. Alright, so first one, now that you have understood, well, I really hope that you have understood how to use connect method to connect React to Redux, and you can apply what you have learned to your React component that handles messages. Yay! Alright, so in the last lesson, the component you connected to Redux was named presentational, and this wasn't arbitrary. Alright, so this term generally refers to React components that are not directly connected to Redux. They are simply responsible for the presentation of UI and do this as a function of the props that they receive. By contrast, container components are connected to Redux. These are typically responsible for dispatching actions to the store and often pass store state to child components as props. So I really hope this all makes sense, but if it doesn't, do drop me any questions you have, and I will be getting back to you guys. Alright? So to have a real hands-on experience, it gives us an exercise that we need to connect our Messages app to Redux. Alright, so it says that the code editor has all the code you have written in this section so far. The only change is that the React component is renamed to presentational, which is talking about this component here. Alright, so it says that create a new component held in a constant called container. Alright, where do we have to add that? Over, keep going down, yep, over here. So I'll define a new container, say, a new component saying container. Alright, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to Egypt and they use connect. Okay, so and the container uses connect to the presentational component to Redux. So we're gonna be connecting this container component to the Redux. No, sorry. We're gonna be using connect to connect the presentational component to Redux. Alright, so let's do that. So by the alphabet connect method, so it takes in two functions: map state to props, which is over here, we need that. Alright, and map dispatch to props. Alright, so I'll just declare that one, map dispatch to props. Perfect. And then which component really supposed to be? Presentational. Alright, so now we have now our container is connected to Redux. Alright, so now what's next? So it says that then in the app wrapper render, so app wrapper, and then this is the render method. I'll just get rid of this code there. Alright, it says that render the React Redux provider component, so we need to render the provider component here. So there we go, and there we go. Close the provider component as well. Alright, and the Redux store as a prop, so pass provided the Redux store. So as a prop, there we go, and we give this store, alright, as a prop, and then render container as a child element. Alright, so render container as a child element. Alright, once everything is set up, you will see the messages app rendered to the page again. Here we go, perfect. Alright, cat, oh, really hope this works. It does work, perfect. Okay, I really hope you guys understood this concept of how to connect React to Redux. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below, and I'll make sure I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And seems like we have an error here, but where did we mess up? Interesting. Oh, sorry, that was supposed to be state instead. Alright, let's try now. Yay, perfect. Alright guys, this is it for this tutorial, and I'll see you in the next one.